Hello, I'm Phoenix City Councilwoman Kate Gallego. In this issue of On the Go, we are visiting Café Allegro at the Musical Instrument Museum. The Musical Instrument Museum is one of the top tourism destinations and destinations for families in the city of Phoenix. And Café Allegro is one of the gems of the museum. People visit the cafe even if they're not going to the museum because of the great local food, great dining experience. We're here today with Chef Chris Lenza, who's been one of our great partners at the City of Phoenix. You've participated in many programs, including Phoenix Food Day, the Eat Local Challenge, and more. Tell us a little bit about your background.
Well, thanks for having me. So I work at the Musical Instrument Museum inside Café Allegro. A little bit about my background, that I have been here for 8 years. Worked at Kai Restaurant prior to this. Also, I went to the French Culinary Institute in Manhattan, worked there for several years, and then traveled to Italy, and then a little bit of New Orleans, and then also Philadelphia.
It's so fabulous to have a chef of your caliber, and you have a real interest in our local environment, the local foods. Can you tell us about how that has been incorporated at Café Allegro?
Absolutely, big passion of mine. What I also do with Bon Appetit and for Café Allegro is I forage for local vendors. So with the local vendors, we are encouraged as executive chefs to purchase from local vendors that are within 150 miles of Café Allegro at minimum. So we work with Maya's Farm. We also work with some great goat cheese farmers and vendors, Crow's Dairy, Fossil Creek, and then excellent lettuces as well with other farmers as well.
Can you tell us a little bit about some of the things you have gathered here today for us on the table?
Yeah, absolutely, for sure. So what we have here today is we have a very popular Arizona roasted chicken salad, and that comes from a great farmer, Dave Jordan, Two Wash Ranch, and then we bring in some organic local produce from Maya's Farm with that, and then that will be featured for Phoenix Food Day. And then what we have here is this is our grass-fed beef burger. It comes with our sweet potato fries. That's from JH Ranch, and it's no antibiotics, no growth hormones, and that's one of our commitments here, and it's probably one of the most popular items. And then we also have a children's menu. A variety of different items. We have our 4-cheese pizza, which is here, and then we also do peanut butter and jellies, and we do a really scrumptious macaroni and cheese. It has been really took off with a lot of the folks. And then we have an excellent pastry chef here that we make all of our own pastries. We have croissants, quick breads. Our cookies are very popular here, made from scratch, very wholesome. Very wholesome nutritional stuff. The flours comes from Hayden Flour Mills, Queen Creek, from Queen Creek, Arizona.
Wonderful. And how about?
Well, this is my favorite, and I always joke with someone, but I had to have it here. This is our Vertilogus. It's organic. It's indigenous to Arizona. Grows everywhere. Probably you've seen it. That I just love. It's got great nutritional values. We make salads, smoothies. I eat it just like that.
So someone who was born and raised in Arizona might be even able to learn something about our local environment and the food by.
Absolutely. And one of the questions I hear all the time is, well, I've lived here my whole life, and I can't believe that is grown here. For example, mesquite meal flour. We use that for our gluten-free cookie that is very popular here. We use mesquite meal flour as opposed to a wheat flour.
That was something that I got to learn last year. You and I got to cook together for Phoenix Food Day, which is a day where we try to encourage local eating and healthy eating.
Yep, absolutely. And it's a great healthy option. It's great for diabetics. It's got great nutritional value. When we've done, and what we are going to also do is for Phoenix Food Day is our Arizona roasted chicken salad, and we'll be probably using like 9 to 10 different vendors for that one salad, which will be really fun.
Well, thank you for your commitment to both healthy eating and local support. It's really great to have partners who promote all of the wonderful things that are available in our local environment, and I appreciate the work you're doing to introduce our food in Arizona to tourists as well as to Phoenicians.
Thank you.
Is there anything else that you want to add?
Café Allegro, we're open daily. The coffee shop's open 9 to 5, and the cafe is open 11:30 to 2:30. And eat local, support local, and we offer a really great cooking program. Everything here is cooked from scratch, and we make everything daily, and the menus do change daily.
Wonderful. Well, I hope some of our viewers will check out Café Allegro when they visit this top 20 tourism attraction at the Musical Instrument Museum. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
This has been On the Go with Kate Gallego. As always, please contact our office if there's anything we can do to help you. Thank you for joining us today.